Another video focusing on some of the erosional processes. Now the crag and tail is quite a complex feature because it is a mixture of erosional and depositional features, and we'll see that when we're going a bit further. Now Edinburgh Castle is a really great example of a crag and tail. So the castle rock is the solid rock, and then the Royal Mile is the softer rock, but we'll go into a bit more detail as the video progresses. So there we have it. There's a good diagram. Yep, you've got the castle rock is the resistant volcanic rock. It's really strong, it's firm, difficult to erode. You've got the Royal Mile is much softer, which is a softer limestone, which is much easier to erode and shape. So the crag won't erode as quickly. The softer limestone will erode a lot quicker. Yep, so formation of a crag and tail, you've got the direction of ice. Yep, so as it hits the volcanic resistant rock, it doesn't erode it as much, and then because of that protection, the softer limestone is more of a gentle slope, and then over time, moraine gets deposited on top of the softer limestone, and that's how it becomes a mixture of erosional and depositional feature. Yep, again, if we look here, we've got plucking and abrasion on the stoss side. Now the stoss side just means the steeper side, and then the more gentle slope, the tail, is called the lee side. So we're moving on to a Rosh-Metoni, which basically just means rock sheep. Now this is a very small feature, as you can see from the picture here. If we zoom in on this really good diagram, we can see that abrasion on the stoss side, as the stoss side is the first side that the glacier meets. Yep, and then so we've got abrasion. Now if we explain abrasion, we can pick up a mark there. We've got plucking and freeze thaw on the lee side. So the lee side is the down valley side. Yep, and again, plucking and freeze thaw. If we explain name here, we can pick up a mark and just note the direction of this. So here is the example you want to use and the answer you would write down for a Rosh-Metoni. Yep, so encounters obstacle, melting can occur. Basal sliding, we know about basal sliding from our introduction to this unit. Abrasion, we can explain abrasion here. Yep, and we've got plucking, and we can explain that there, and we're going to pick up marks for these explanations. A wee recap task. All I want you to do is pause the video, write the numbers down one side of your notebook, and then see if you can try and match the features below, and we'll go over this in class, and this is a perfect time to ask any questions if you're unsure about anything. Alright, now I'll just put this diagram in to show you that we've covered most of the glacial erosion features, and then what we're going to move on to is landforms of glacial deposition and landforms of fluvial glacial deposition. Now for those of you who've done National 5, you've never looked at features of glacial deposition, so this will be a completely new concept to you.